So guys, I have a cake and Isabella will blow my cake.
Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mama.
Thank you, Bella.
Okay, blow.
Hello.
Make a wish. Don't forget to make
Make
a
the
wish.
wish.
You also blow it together. One.
No, I'm gonna
Okay,
blow it.
both. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Blow.
Hello.
Blow!
The chocolate is melting.
Hello.
Yay! Thank you, Bella.
Okay, now where's the knife to cut?
Cut the candle. Take it off first.
You have to cut this.
It's already melted.
My husband bought this cake actually in the morning.
Mama, look.
He surprised me with a beautiful cake. But what is this, Bo? Cheesecake?
No.
Guys, this is my
the door.
cheesecake.
Careful, careful, careful with the knife. Careful. You, Mama is
Mama will do it. Okay, cut for Mama. But remove it.
Who is this? We need a plate.
No, it's okay like this. Dada will.
No.
We're gonna have a.
For you?
No. I can feed my own.
Big mouth.
Mm.
No.
Don't?
No, I can feed myself.
I cannot. A little bit also.
I can do my own way.
Come.
Small bite, na? Ah.
Ah.
You're so stupid. That lip with horse.
Nice cake.
I got a special way to do.
Mhm.
I got a special way.
Wow. Okay. Since it is my birthday, so I'm gonna do a mukbang. So today is my cheat day. So I have cooked this earlier. This is my braised pork or humba. And
Humba and musket.
And we have cut my cake earlier as well, and I have a piece of cake. This is cheesecake. And I have rice here. And I have this pickle. This is Indian pickle. So now let's do a mukbang. Very nice. I'm excited. Guys, sorry guys. This is the situation in my house. This is the real situation, noisy. So we're gonna. So yummy food it is. What happened? I didn't eat breakfast. Now it's already 5 o'clock. No breakfast, no lunch. Actually, I was busy with my work. Just now I got free. Working from home is not easy. It's very difficult. Right now, actually, I'm working from home, and the nature of my work is I am a procurement. The food is good. I like this humba, but this is not the authentic actually. But nice. I like it. My humba is not spicy, or my braised pork is not spicy, but I have a pickle. This is an Indian pickle. It's quite spicy. So, I'll have it along with the humba.
Yeah. You saw the picture I sent you, right? I sent you two pictures. What happened? Pizza thing got separate? Tomorrow morning, huh? No, now that guy told you to come, or you only are going to check or something?
So guys, I'm finished now. I'm finishing actually. I am so bloated. I don't eat this much actually. But this time, since it's my birthday, okay, I'll do a mukbang. Because actually, this is too much. I don't eat so much food actually, guys. But still, my weight is like this only. After giving birth, my weight never come back. I used to be very slim. Now, let's hit the dessert. This is the cheesecake. We're gonna have some of it. Nice, but it is nice, but I like the Cheesecake Factory as actually that was the best. I like their cake, but imagine one small slice of one cake from Cheesecake Factory. It will cost you 400 pesos. Very expensive. But once in a while we'll have it. Actually.
And I have a candy here which is not super good. See? The many types. There's red and blue and this is actually green. But they put the sides in blue, that's why. Okay, there's green, there's red over here which is correct. But blue, it's not actually blue here, right? Because you see, I think the guy did not get the color actually. They don't know how to get green.
Actually, this is from Ken Delicious.
And because they put like this because they actually cannot make blue like this.
Yeah.
That's why. So, and this Coca-Cola is right. I show you guys. Ta-da! Coca-Cola. I put the wrap over here so it will be alright or something.
I'm done, guys. No space anymore in my stomach.
No space, but for me,
I'm full up to here now. Enough.
but I can eat how many I want because
So-
my tummy is like running away and then put another stomach.
So that's all for today, guys. And I'll see you to my next one. Bye.
And